you. I hope you all are fit and fine. So today we are going to do poem number 8, class 8th. So I'm Renu Aroda going to describe the poem number 8 from your literature book Roots and Wings. The name of the poem is Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. We have to try to get the meaning of the name of the poem. कि stopping by woods, woods के वहाँ stop करना. And when duration क्या थी? On a snowy evening. There was it was a snow falling time. Snow is falling that time, and it's a evening time, darkest day, darkest night, you can say that. And that time Robert Frost explained about the journey as a traveler. He was riding on a horse and was going through the woods, and woods that was completely filled of snow. So that's why it's called Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening. The poem is written by Robert Frost. Picture is given here. One picture is given here. Traveler is here and horse is also here. So in this picture, describe that woods, how much they are lovely and how much they are dark and deep, because the poem also contain a deep meaning behind it. इसके पीछे भी एक deep meaning है, which the Robert Frost tried to explain. Robert Frost, he was a nature poet. He explained always about the nature beauty. In this poem, he also tell about the nature, and he was passing through the woods, stopping by woods on a snowy evening. By Robert Frost. By Robert Frost. Stopping by woods on a snowy evening is a poem by Robert Frost written in 1922 and published in 1923 in his Hemisphere volume. कि कब हुई थी, रिटर्न कब हुई थी? 1922 and published in 1923, and is written by Robert Frost. It's written by Robert Frost. Next, a picture of Robert Frost is given here. He explained his journey. He explained his journey ने by the poem. Poem के द्वारा journey को explain करता है. Now I am going to describe the stanza of the poem. Whose woods these are? I think I know. अब वो क्या वुड्स से गुजर रहा था, वो क्या बोलता है कि इन वुड्स में, जैसे कि वो फैमिलियर था एंड ही वाज पासिंग थ्रू द वुड्स, and he wanted to meet to the owner of the woods. That time he wanted to meet the owner of the woods. Woods के owner से मिलना चाहता था, और he was passing through the woods and which was covered with snow that time. He will not see me stopping here. कि वो जैसे वहाँ पर था, उससे लगा कि जो ओनर है he is not present there, and he is noticing कि we are going through his woods, and to watch, and why they stopped there to watch his woods fill up with स्नो. किस लिए रुके थे? कि वुड को देखने के लिए, कि वुड जो स्नो से भरा हुआ था. स्नो मीन्स बर्फ. completely tree were filled with snow. Area, land, lake, you can say that, the completely filled with snow. In this stanza you can say rhyming scheme: no, though, a here, b, c and a. This is the rhyming scheme of this stanza. Now next stanza is there: my little horse must think it queer to stop without a farmhouse near between the woods and the frozen lake. अब वो किस पे राइडिंग कर रहा था? ही वॉज राइडिंग बाय ऑन ए हॉर्स, एंड उसे क्या लगा? हॉर्स मस्ट थिंक, उसे अजीब लगा. स्ट्रेंज, क्वियर मीन स्ट्रेंज, टू स्टॉप विदाउट ए फार्म हाउस. कि दे स्टॉप्ड बट देर इज नो फार्म हाउस, देर इज नो ओनर ऑफ द वुड्स अवेलेबल देयर. एंड वेयर डिड दे स्टॉप? दे स्टॉप बिटवीन द वुड्स एंड फ्रोजन लेक. कहाँ रुके थे? वुड्स एंड फ्रोजन लेक. एंड दैट वॉज द डार्केस्ट इवनिंग ऑफ द ईयर. कौन सी इवनिंग थी? कितना अंधेरा था, इतनी डार्कनेस थी कि नथिंग वॉज विजिबल. एज दे वर ट्रेवलिंग बाय द रोड, it was completely covered with snow. Is there any pit holes there? And they got also passing in a coldest night, you can say that. So that is the coldest night. But that was strange for the little horse. How did he react? He gives his harness bell a shake to ask if there is some mistake. अब वो कहता है कि उसने अपने जो हॉर्स के गले में लगी होती है ना बेल वगैरह, उसने उसे शेक किया, बजाया. And as it seemed that he want to ask, is there any mistake happen? Why did they stop on the way, nearest the darkest wood. Either it looked lovely, but why they stopped? And the only other sounds, the sweep of easy wind was going on, and downy flakes. डाउनी फ्लेक्स मीन्स होता है कि जो बर्फ की छोटी छोटी फ्लपी सी फेदर जो पीसीज होते हैं ना फोम की तरह, दिस इज कॉल्ड डाउनी फ्लेक, दिस इज कॉल्ड फेदरी पीसीज ऑफ लिटिल पीसीज ऑफ स्नो. तो ये होते हैं हमारे, इसको बोलते हैं डाउनी फ्लेक. फिर देखो वो क्या कहना चाहता है इन लास्ट टाइम, जहाँ woods are lovely dark and deep but I have promises to keep. कहते हैं woods कैसे लिख रहे थे, they look lovely dark and deep. कैसे दिख रहे थे, dark and deep. But he want to say that I promise to keep. उसने promise रखा कि he wants to meet the person who is the owner of the wood, and either he is residing by nearby area near the village, and his house is in the village. But what had happened? They were thinking and miles to go before I sleep, कि जो उन्हें मोटी मिला है, जो उन्हें duties they have got, obligation they have got, they have to fulfill before their death. Sleep को यहाँ पर death से comparison किया गया है. देखो, as we say that कि we all people are living their life and we all having difficulties in their life. Life में difficulties तो होती हैं, and we have to overcome it. हमें दूर करना होता है डर को, fear को. तो क्या उसके स्लीप का इसमें बोला गया डेथ, कि अगर वो हम अपनी ड्यूटीज को परफॉर्म करते करते इफ वी रीच टू द डेथ देन इट हैपेंस, बट दे हैव टू रीच देयर गोल. देयर इज नो यूज टू स्टॉप देयर. बट दैट टाइम व्हेन poet stopped there, he was surprised to see the beauty of the nature, as all trees were covered with snow, with animals were there, area that was completely covered with snow, houses were covered with snow. So the last I want to say that they want to fulfill their goal, okay, before death. So I hope you got the poem. It's very easy to do, बहुत easy है. इसमें पोइट क्या बताना चाहता है, क्या प्रॉमिस रखना चाहता है, वो किस प्रॉमिस के बारे में बात कर रहा था. Got the poem? And that is given in the picture also. Picture is given here. Poet is also present there, and horse is also there. The wood picture is given. It's completely filled with darkness. Darkness से fill है ये. So ये scene है कि how they were survive in the darkest night, and you can say that coldest night of the year. किस पूरे साल की सबसे darkest और ठंडी night. The picture of woods is given here. कि हाउ द वुड्स आर लुकिंग डार्क एंड डीप, घने बोल सकते हो. देखो इसमें क्या है, देयर इज अ डीप मीनिंग बिहाइंड इट, कि वी हैव टू अचीव द गोल आफ्टर फेसिंग ऑल डिफिकल्टीज ऑफ लाइफ. सो आई होप यू गोट द मीनिंग ऑफ द पोएम रिटन बाय रॉबर्ट फ्रॉस्ट. ही वॉज a famous nature poet. So you have to do revision. Thank you. Have a nice day.